Okay, so good morning guys. So sorry for my absence for today. Supposedly this will be our last synchronous discussion, but because I really need, to have my annual laboratory checkup. So wala ko for today. So to compensate for my absence, so I will be doing a video lecture discussion for the last topic of our course, which is climate change. So for this particular session, or for our last topic, we're going to learn what are the causes of climate change, what are the various impacts of climate change to economic, geopolitical, biological, and meteorological aspects, and then what are the things that we have learned from STS that we can apply to the issue of climate change. Okay, so first of all, let's first differentiate what is weather and climate, because there are this confusion of what is weather and what is climate, and sometimes we synonymously use them, but they are not the same thing. Weather is actually a sudden change in atmospheric condition from time to time. So basically speaking, weather is for short term. Okay, it happens for a limited area. It changes rapidly and it's very hard to predict. So you may wake up na it's sunny, but later on it could rain. Okay, so weather is actually what you can see outside your window, or what is actually happening right now. But for climate, it is actually the average weather condition over a period of time. Okay, so in that sense, it is long term. Okay, it covers a wide area. It is seasonal. Okay, so take note. For those regions closer to the equator, so they have tropical climate, meaning they have dry and wet season. Wherein, if you move along, or you move farther away from the equator, whether it is on the northern hemisphere or in the southern hemisphere, you are now experiencing four types of season, or four types of climate. You have summer, spring, fall, and winter. Okay, so basically, climate is also measured for a very long period or span of time. Okay, so climate is the total weather occurrences over a period of year. Okay, while weather is the atmospheric condition that could happen from any given time. Okay, so what is actually climate change? So climate change is the average long-term changes over the entire Earth. Okay, so this include increasing warming temperatures and changes in the precipitation rate. Okay, so basically, climate change is the changes from unsay naandan nato na klima on that particular region for this span of time. For example, from a particular month na we use na dati kini siya na months kay this our summertime, but because of climate change, it could be na ang summertime na shorten and dali kayo naabot ang rainy season, or bali ning lapa siya og summertime and rainy season has been late. Okay, so those could be some patterns for climate change. But what are those usual na mga palatandaan that there is actually climate change? So first, there is an alarming increase in the sea level. Okay, this is because of the shrinking of mountain glaciers, meaning because of increased warming sa ato na Earth, our icebergs, our ice glaciers, our ice mountains has been melting in a very fast rate, and that results to increase also of the rising sea levels. Okay, and as I said, ice melting has been fast sa atong mga used na jud kayo na lugar, wherein we know already that this area is kanang daghan kayo siyang ice, and the rate of melting kanina ice are very slow, no? But because of init kaayo, no, there is an increase in temperature. So the icebergs or the ice mountains, ice glaciers in these areas are melting so fast, no, in Greenland, Antarctica, and the Arctic regions. And because also of a change, no, in the kana photoperiodism, or what we know as the amount of time, no, wherein a plant could receive light. So there is now a change in the pattern of the blooming for the plants. Okay? So basically saying, the Earth is actually experiencing climate change even before humans have the industrial era, no? But that is not that fast, kumbaga, as we have observed karon. Grabe ang kapaspas kaayo sa pag-warm sa ato na temperature. But before, no, sa Earth, the reason why there is a climate change is could be there is this particular phenomenon wherein asteroids are bombarding the Earth, which turn the Earth from a tropical na planet into a snowball na planet, no? Or nahimo siya na nagka-ice age siya because of the dust clouds that prevents the sunlight, no, to enter the Earth's surface mo nang na-ice ta. Okay? And eventually, because of mga solar flares, usap pala ni init na ang atang kalibutan. Okay? So, that could be some reasons why there is a climate change, no, for the past few years or for the past millennia, no. However, due to industrialization and due to patronage of fossil fuels, no, the increase in our temperature is much higher than the average. Okay, take note, in 2018, there is a study we're in, no, there is now an increase in 1.16 degrees Celsius in the average temperature of the Earth. Okay? And because of this continuous warming, there is now this effect to the intensity and the amount of rainfall during the storms and hurricanes. Okay? Because much faster man yung evaporation rate, and that creates much stronger na mga typhoons, no? Now, on areas naman wherein this evaporation rate or this heat index is very high, droughts can be felt and heat waves are to be expected. Okay? But how does it happen? So basically, in the natural settings sa atong Earth, we have this particular greenhouse. Okay? Wherein the atmosphere, no, is allowing some portions of light, okay, na light and heat energy to enter the Earth's surface. Okay? And this atmosphere retains some of that heat, okay, to make our world na habitable pod for us. And that is the reason why there is no anymore ice age, no? So it is actually what makes the Earth warm, no? Kini ato ang atmosphere, kini na greenhouse na to, effect, no, brought to us by our atmosphere. However, because of our patronage to fossil fuels, because of the industries continue to burn coals, continue to burn mga organic materials, no? So that organic materials, those fuels, will lead to the production of CO2, or also known as carbon dioxide. What happens is these carbon dioxides are released to the atmosphere, and it makes the atmosphere thicker, no? And when the atmosphere is thicker, the greenhouse effect is increasing. So therefore, by the time that the heat and light energy penetrates the Earth, instead na mo bounce back ang some of the heat back to space, a large amount has been trapped, no, in the Earth. And instead of making the Earth kanang have this constant temperature, what happens is because it is thicker, mas dako ang heat index na nare-retain nato, mas niinit ang kalibutan, and it leads to, of course, warmer Earth, no? And not only that, not only CO2, but we also have methane. Methane are gases that are produced after decomposition of organic matters. Okay? And what could be the effect of this continuous, no, na climate change? So first, because of the melting of the glaciers, no, those areas that are near to oceans or near to seas will now be flooded, no, because there will be a rise in sea level. Okay? And those animals naman, or even people residing with areas na ay mga mountains of glaciers, na ay mga polar ice caps, they will lose their habitat. Okay? So basically, they will also drown. And then, because of warm climate, more stronger strains of virus, no, could be widespread. And then, because everything is dry, it is readily combustible, and therefore, there are more wildfires. Excuse me. However, it is not yet finished, no? We still have time to compensate for what we have done to our Earth. Okay, so what are those things that we could do, no? So first, we need to admit that climate change is true and it is here right now and we are actually experiencing it. Okay? And because we have known that it is true, we can do something about it. And first, we should start it with ourselves. So we must check our lifestyle first, no? So instead of patronizing combusting organic sources such as fossil fuels, no? So why not use renewable energy resource like wind, like hydrothermal energy, no? Or let us harness the power of the sun and then save fuel in order to lessen combustion of fossil fuels. So right now, no, nauso na gani ang pagbisikleta, or if layo na gid kayong travelan, so instead of having individual jud na mga cars, why not do carpooling to minimize carbon footprint? And lastly, we need to lessen, no, our food waste, because again, as I've said, it can contribute to the production of methane. And instead of having daghan jud kayo na waste, we should practice to reduce our waste also. Lastly, this is a takeaway. There's no place like home. There's no place like Earth. And then there may never be again. So do your part. You know? Lastly, guys, this will be the last jud na topic nato for our course. So basically, we're done for GESTS. And take note that you will have your examination on December 4. I hope I'm clear, no? I would like to thank everybody for staying with me, for being patient with me for the entire semester. I hope that you have learned something new from me, no, as your instructor. And thank you so much, guys, for this semester. God bless and adelante.